wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 8 best Stirling engines. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 8, the dstar LED light is built to last, being made with high-quality machined parts that can be replaced easily if any component fails. It's a stylish design that looks great on a desk or table, which makes it a good gift option. It demonstrates energy conversion well, and the LEDs are powered by a small generator. However, it's a bit too noisy. At number 7, the elenker steel kit comes in 2 styles, both of which are great for watching and learning about the internal workings of such a device. It arrives mostly assembled, making it a good choice for those who haven't owned one of these before. It feels well made and heats up quickly, but it doesn't produce the smoothest motion. Coming in at number 6 on our list, the sunnytech Educational SE001 is ideal as a teaching aid or just as an interesting curio on an office desk. It uses the expansion of air or other gases effectively to produce high RPMs from a minimal temperature difference and comes with a spare glass cylinder. It includes a flashing LED and protective rubber feet. It arrives assembled too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Stirling engines or simply click beneath this video. At number 5, the dstar Metal Limited 1 is designed to run at a lower temperature differential than many other models, operating off a cup of hot water. It has robust connections that can stand up to years of fast revolutions per minute and a small footprint to fit almost anywhere. It's equipped with clear cylinder walls and makes a good conversation starter, but it doesn't work well with cold water. Halfway up our list at number 4, the dstar vehicle takes the power it generates and transfers it to one axle of a little 4-wheeled car, allowing it to move in a straight line. It can get going pretty fast though, so be careful setting it down where the flame could become a hazard. It stands roughly 3 inches tall and is a rear-wheel drive system. However, it can blow itself out as it runs. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, aviation fans will appreciate the design of the peleustech physics model, which uses heat energy flowing through 16 pistons to move an attractive propeller. Its elegant wood base is stained beautifully for great presentation. It creates a nice breeze and runs on butane rather than alcohol. It's made from stainless steel. At number 2, the sunnytech LT001 comes in several different colors such as bronze, black and silver, so you can match it to any decor, and its flywheel can reach speeds of up to 200 RPM. This low-cost model needs a 20 degrees Celsius temperature differential to start moving. It fits on most coffee mugs and provides 20 minutes of motion from 1 cup. It's ready to go out of the box. And coming in at number 1 on our list, in addition to being one of the most attractive models on the market, the sunnytech Hot Air SC02M is also one of the quietest, allowing you to show it off in an office environment without it disrupting any of your co-workers. It runs at up to 1700 RPM and comes with multicolored LED lights and spare glass components. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Stirling engines or simply click beneath this video.